You what? A mango I have. Me not eat no meat today. The chicken and the thing what I have, it there. It there in the room. The chicken I have in the room. You hear, Mr. Brownie? So you have to know say you're gone because you see me not have nothing. Brownie! No. Go. Those are the people I've seen. Alright, easy. Lay down. Easy. Alright. Easy, Brownie. Easy as that. Let me get that stick. Throw it. Let me get that stick for you. Wait there. We get that stick for you now, Brownie. So you say one cab from out of the side, so especially if you have a car and nothing.
Alright, and I want to tell us all, most of the vehicle around our bike taxi.
Okay.
Bike taxi, most of the bike taxi.
How much them charge?
Whitehall Estate.
How them charge to come out just to go to the front?
When the bike taxi,
yeah.
Some of them take 100, some take 150.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically that's a charter.
Yeah, you want to find out. Some of them can tow somebody in the one. Basically you want to find a bike. Or you know the heart of the village. The village is the heart of the village. Heart of the village.
You see.
Alright, so the blue get elephant. I white get it. That's what I mean. Right, that's what I mean. Right out about this. That's what I mean.
Right, yeah, they're living at the real garage.
Yeah, man, that's what they get up. We call it get up, man. Yeah, get up.
Yes. Love how the gate is closed.
So when you get up, you have to live like a get up stand.
What do you mean, man? You can't floss. Yeah, you have to learn. You have to learn for easy. So I go deal with the fun. Trusty and Randy. Your adventure just start now. Right now we're there at Whitehall Estate. And we're just gonna move through right now.
Can you reach on already? Can you run it? One foot! Kenny! Come on. Yo.
Yes, man.
Where the car rent? Where the car rent? What's your boy rent car?
How much is it? I'm going to get the Axel. Alright. Anytime about Thursday?
How much we cooking for work today?
Yeah, man.
Alright. What me tell you, sir? I time so easy. Yes, sir. You're more than a crampy yard. Right a crampy, that's a more than. Just can rent the room a crampy.
So, me go get your number.
Just rent the room a crampy.
Me go get your number.
Yes, you remember say have me? 887996 and that man.
Come here, I'll call you. Come see it. You're going to see it. Fucking at the sexy shot. That's so nice. One family.
Yeah.
A family now. Jamaica look around and just come and get to the family.
Yeah.
You see, that's why Jamaica don't have enough, you know, because anyone who go to the world just mention Randy.
I know say one day, you know, I'm going to beat the first time. I'm going to go to the house and say pork. I I said 2 lines, man. She said, man, I put myself, man. I just start walk with her pan and I said,
yeah.
and from this man, my friend, you know, from this man, the girl just turn good friend like that.
So.
And our daughter, Kitana, virgin. Our daughter, yeah, man, our last daughter. Any little problem, Kitana, she'll come to me and say, where.
So the family.
Yeah, man. Alright, so get the fun right in now.
Yeah, man, so around the, the garrison, I have some of the, I go vibe it out, in the garrison. You get to know the people, them. It's a trust today, you know. And Nadisha there. So Randy, I got rolling at the garrison, the real Jamaican life. Remember? This is Randy again for the thing. You see the flaws, but I talk to a nice lady when I stay with. I call her Lady N for now. Lady N, so we talk about wages at the hotel. What you make about what? $320 average US.
Yeah.
8 hours you work 8 hours?
8 hours, yeah.
How much vacation them give you?
You're entitled to your 2-week sick leave and your 2-week vacation after working for a year, and also your days off. Yeah.
So if you had a chance, do you like what you do?
Yes, I do. I enjoy it. I love it.
You have kids?
No.
And average, so what is difficult living in Jamaica and what is good? What?
It is just like the difficulties of living in the girl because they have the parents and all of that. Home, you're not parent, you're just home. But the job is a little bit harder at home.
So now, in the grill, like how much? How much? So how much they for the rent? Like forget a 1-bedroom.
Rent in the grill overall is very expensive. You're not getting no room. I mean, settings like this, you're not getting no room less than 25,000.
So if I you want, if I you want, you make the 300 US, you have to spend about 200 or something for just for your rent. So you have your food, you have your picnic, you have gas, you have
everything.
So
because your rent doesn't have include light and water, you know. The rent is just your rent.
So you
light
where
and
you are
water is different.
you couldn't even afford to live by yourself on your salary.
Exactly.
On the grill. And you work 40 hours straight. So you would have about 100 US left after you pay your rent.
Yes.
That's why the woman them just broke out because them no job.
You want me still lad with them? Rough, but
so like Fidelico chef them probably make about 200, don't make what you make. 250.
No, maybe
he make more
maybe
because
make more, maybe same amount. I'm not sure.
Wow, $300 a month.
And that only in hotel, you know, it's everywhere. Some place don't pay that for the month. Some people pay probably 200, probably depends on like the party shop and them there. You probably get less.
But I see why the people don't even go to crime. That you can't live. You can't live. Even if you have food in your yard, there's something go happen at the hospital, then you have to pay it. You know, them not going to health insurance for free, right?
No.
No. So if your hand broke right now, you have to pay to fix it.
Well, the hospital, you go here, they X-ray, whatever, but you have to end up by your plaster. That's the thing where they put over it. You have to buy that.
What kind of sickness you've ever had?
Well, me have disturbed migraine headache. I have that, and I have high blood pressure.
So you know, if you start drink some herb for the high blood pressure.
I drink all kind of something.
And it no work.
Well, lately me have it. And since me came down here and start work.
The
probably
stress.
somebody did work, you know, just every day, and you know.
The stress.
Yeah, maybe. at that time, but now I feel like a bit relieved and you know, get used to the place, get used to people, everything.
Wow, wow. So it really hard, yeah, so. Wow. $300 rent, $200, $250. How $50 you have left? So the boy, man, tell you. And the hospital costs. Now me understand why Jamaicans, you know, it just data for your phone, school for the picnic them.
Everything. Shopping alone.
If you don't want, if your house hot and you want to buy a fan, you have to think hard.
Shopping very expensive.
You see, when it's everybody, all gonna set you up on your free work list, man, nothing wrong. That's what one of them. Look at that.
Boy, man, tell you. Alright, Jamaica, see that? At the real life with Randy. Real life. So I deal with it. I like how you set up the place. I love it. Are you planning? So we're going to get together one of them day and call over Soldier. The chef will cook something for me. I go film it and
No problem. No problem.
And deal with it.
Don't worry, I'm going to work. Hold on, I think one of you.
Oh, Sam, I made a number. I have no sign like that one.
Cougar.
Nice and warm now, the people are my walkout. See the pull on, I'm going to just go by and take a picture of the hammer. When you mean see it later, and a picture of the hammer.
You probably don't see it tomorrow.
Yeah. This is Negril, Jamaica. I'm staying at Travelers Beach Resort, as you already know. We have a whole family down here, so now we have Trusty. And we're going to do keep filming with the we have Soji. Now we have Nadisha now. Yeah. Then we have O'Neill, the chef. Yes. The whole movie me are making now.
Alright.
You have Trusty, the security guard.
Yes, man,
then you have Porky, you make the pork and the chicken. You have O'Neill now make the food chef. And Nadisha take care of the bedroom and everything. And then everybody will come together at the end of the film. And we're just going to live and love it. See? Travelers Beach Resort. So when you come, I'm going to go on the Trusty number, email me. And then man will take care of now. Security me deal with. And if you don't want an urban thing, I'm have the people them and thing. You're not gonna love it, man. Watch the beach what I see on it today. Watch the ride. Travelers Beach Resort. About 3. I always come here, sir, 24/7. So I'm gonna bring you right in and show you the thing. So, me go link you tomorrow.
Yeah man, you definitely